Welcome back to another Vahrenberg Implement pre-owned trade-in video, and today we're here with a 2017 Mahindra 5570 SynchronizedShuttle tractor. This is a 70 engine horsepower tractor that produces 61 PTO horsepower at the PTO. Features a 2.7 liter Mahindra 3-cylinder engine. We're going to jump back in here. This is what we would call a small chassis utility, similar to the 2600H series from Massey Ferguson. Has 2 sets of remote valves. Got 540 PTO down here. Got cross drilled Cat 1, Cat 2 balls. They're telescopic link ends. Push that down, slide them out. Top link does come with it. Has one rear work light here. Got your dash panel, got metal fenders here. Features 16/9/30 rear tires. They're in excellent shape. This tractor only has like 329 hours on it, so it's been very little use. 11.224 front tires. You can see here, power front axle. Got a power front axle right there. Got a 5565 loader on it. We'll drop it down here in a minute. We're going to open the hood and show you how to do that here real quick. It takes a little bit to do that. First thing, you got to undo the hood panels. You have a big button in the front you have to push to raise this up. And you got this manual lever. Hold the hood. The hood sides will come off. We're going to show you both sides. This is the left-hand side of the engine. Got fuel system here. You can see the top of the engine, air cleaner and all that stuff. And you come over here and you turn these two to take this side off. And you can get in and see dipstick, oil filter, the right hand side of the engine. That's what it takes to get in to do your maintenance and stuff on your Mahindra 5570 tractor. Next, we're going to jump up here and go through the controls. It does have a big step down here to get up on the platform. You've got your clutch pedal right here. Four-wheel drive is right here. This is your range shifter. This does have to be in neutral to start the tractor, we've learned. Your PTO engagement. This is a 540 independent PTO, so it does not require a clutch, but that's the lever to engage it. Seat adjustment switch. Seat moves parallel front to rear. Weight gauge there. Got your synchronized shuttle here. Your synchronized shuttle handle. Shift forward and reverse. Light switch. Got to get on here. Hazard lights are down here. Check engine light is down here. The key, that's your horn, that's your heating element. Light switch, turn signals. Not sure what MIL stands for. This is your lights here. Your dash panel. Got mechanical gauges for temp, battery, fuel. Got some lights across there. Turn the key on. You can see 328.9 hours. Push the clutch in. You got 4-speed gearbox on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your joystick. Brake pedals. Does have parking brake right there. Draft control and 3-point raise and lower. And under this armrest here is your draft control levers, or your auxiliary remote levers. Start it up here. We'll lower the loader here. Raises the front axle up. But to put it in gear, put that in gear. Put this in range, put that in forward, and it's driving. There's first gear, second gear, There's third gear and fourth gear. Got a foot throttle down here. Reverse. Forward and reverse is synchronized, so you can do that on the go. If you want to go to high range, come down here. We'll go back to first. There's first and reverse. Forward. There's your hand throttle right here. And then you got second. Brake stop really well. There's your third reverse. Third in the high range. Need to give it a little extra throttle for that. Nice clean tractor. Show some of the lights here real quick. There's your blinkers. There's the blinker there. That's the blinker on this side is working. Hazard lights are here. That shows the blink there, and there, and there. Then you got park and front lights right there. You can see the high beam light come on. Pull on drive engagement. Pull up is going to be full drive. It's down for two-wheel. Independent PTO. We'll get out and check that. Driving this Mahindra 5570, 70 engine horsepower. That's rated PTO speed right there. We'll take our hazards off, set our parking brake. 3-point hitch arms. That's lowering. And you see them raising. And then you have your remote valves here to run your hydraulic remote valve levers. If you're in West Central Missouri, come check out this Mahindra 5570 SynchronizedShuttle tractor with a 5565 4L loader. Does have skid steer quick attach. Got a, let's look at the bucket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6.5 foot bucket. Very nice, clean tractor. It's only a few years old. He just upgraded to a new Massey Ferguson. The dealer makes a difference, and he needed better service and support is his whole big reason to trading for it. Upgrading to the Massey basically, and he added a cab. So got transmission breather fill port, I think right there. We got the top link as mentioned, but check out this 5570 Mahindra if you're looking for something new. This one just came in yesterday. It's a 2607, got 74 engine horsepower, 60 PTO, a little easier to maintain. Pull that lever, hood pops up, easy to get into. Used tractors or new, we got them available. It comes with joystick, 4-wheel drive. There's the dash panel. It's got a reverse incline seat. As the seat comes down, it gets lower to the ground, so shorter people makes it easier to get to the pedals. If you're looking, this is a comparable tractor in the Massey Ferguson, 2 sets of remotes, 540 PTO, telescopic link ends, got the cross drilled balls, 74 engine horsepower, 64 PTO, where the Mahindra is a 70 engine and 61 on the PTO. So come visit us at Vahrenberg Implement. We're right here on Business 13, which is Fairground Avenue and Missouri 13 Highway. First stoplight here north of Interstate 70. Just come see the big gray sign, the AGCO Massey Ferguson sign. Pull in here. We're just 35 miles west of the Kansas City Chiefs Royal Stadium. We've got some tractors coming back in, getting a few, selling a few, actually selling more than we can get, but we got Massey Ferguson tractors, Rhino implements, and we have some pre-owned inventory too. Come visit us, check us out on our website, www.vahrenberg.com. Go to the Iron Search tab and you can see all of our inventory. Thank you. Come check out this 2017 Mahindra 5570 and put it to work for you.